Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Enjoyed holidays? Enjoyed the holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
So nicely
Yes,
you
ma'am.
people have enjoyed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come back to the studies. I expect that you people have done the project work of these tables. I think
Ma'am.
multiplication tables project work I have given, right? And one rough book also should be in front of you. No, no, not rough book. Classwork book only. Notebook. Course book as well as notebook should be with you right now.
Page number?
Page number 15. Sorry, 16. Page number 16. Page number 16, children. Word problems. Let me read the question now. Only 14 members have joined still. Why so late? Page number 16. Course book page number 16. And you people have to do these word problems first in the notebook. Then I'll give you homework part in the course book. Just look at the question. For reading the question sake, I made you to open this page 16. Just we'll read the question and we'll attempt this word problem in the notebook. After that, as homework part, I'll be giving you the same questions. You have to attempt again in your course books. For neatness sake and for not to have any kind of confusion. We have not done this page 16, right? Course book page 16. Did we do that? Have we done it? No, right? Open this course book page 16. Let's read the question. After that, you people have to carry this question in the notebook. Steps wise we'll be doing in the notebook. After that, you have to attempt again in the course book as homework part. Page 16. Let me read the question. Shall I show you the page, children? Anybody is getting confused?
No, ma'am.
No need, no? I'll read the question so that you can confirm what question we are going to attempt now. A chips manufacturer makes 98,007. Is my voice audible to you all, children? Is my voice clear to you all? Yeah, okay. A chips manufacturer makes, you're totally very close to the screen, Huria. Your eyes may get damaged. Little move back. A chips manufacturer makes 98,735 packets of chips in a year. How many packets of chips will he manufacture in 7 years? See, children, instead of 98,735, think it as only 2 packets. Round it off and make it as 2 packets first. Let me explain you. Let me make it more clear. Only 2 packets you write. Round it off. Afterwards, you can rub. Slightly, lightly you write down. It's 2 packets there. Okay. A chips manufacturer makes 98,735 should be made as 2. 2 packets of chips in a year. How many packets of chips will he manufacture in 7 years? Let's do it with an example. After that, you'll understand it more easily. A chips manufacturer makes how many packets of chips? 2 packets, suppose. Number of packets are 2, suppose. Don't write anything. I'm just explaining here, children. 2 packets of chips in a year, suppose. How many packets of chips will he manufacture in? See, for 1 year, he is going to manufacture only 2 packets, suppose. In 7 years, how many chips he is going to pack? See, these 2 packets were made into 7 times, like 2 1 year, 2 more for next year, 2 more for next year, 2 more for next year, next year, next year, next year. Like that, we have 7 twos. How much, children? 7 twos. What I said here, 7 twos means instead of adding all those, I have multiplied by 7, right? 7 twos are there. How many twos are there? 7 twos are there is how much? 14. So in 7 years, in 7 years, how many packets he will pack? Overall 14 packets. For 1 year, if he packs 2 packets, then for 7 years he will pack 14 packets. What here we did? 7 into 2. Now let me erase these 2 packets and let me write 98,735 packets for 1 year. Then for 7 years means it's very difficult to add like this again and again, right? Instead of this repeated addition, what here I'm going to do? I'm going to multiply this 98,735 by 7. Okay? 7 into 98,735. So here let's do the multiplication so that you will come to know how many packets will be packed for how many years? 7 years. Let's do the multiplication here. After that, we'll go to classwork part, children. Okay, shall we do this multiplication in the classwork itself? Okay, take down the steps now. C bit, page 16. C bit, what is the first information here given? Yes, Ashish, what is the first information here given? What is the first step we have to write? Faizan, are you ready to tell? Tell me, Faizan.
Manufacture makes.
Yeah, any one of you, Faizan or Ashish, any one of you can try. What will be the first step? Always, I used to tell that while attempting the word problems stepwise, you have to write the first information as the first step. Here, what is the first information given?
A chip manufacturer makes 980.
So how you are going to write as first step? Kritik, completed? Or you want to say? Okay. Yahuria, tell me what is the first step?
Number of packets.
Very good. So that's all. The number of packets of chips. Okay. The number of packets of chips are how many? 98,735. The number of packets of chips are how many? 98,735. Next information is Pranav. What is the next information here? Yes, Kritik. What is the next information here? That should be written as a second step.
Total number of packets manufactured in 7 years.
So that 7 years should be intimated again as a second step. Second step. Number of years. Okay. Second step is what? Number of years. Okay. Number of years are how many? 7, right, children? The number of packets of chips are how many? 98,735. They are going to manufacture these many packets every year, it seems. So we have to calculate the total number of packets for 7 years. So what will be the third step? Total, what just now Kritik has said. Okay, total number of packets manufactured in 7 years is equal to you if you multiply 7 into 98,735, you will get the answer. Do the process here, all of you. Under this, all of you should do that. Yes, Netra, any doubt? Netra? Do it, all of you. Total number of packets manufactured in 7 years. Here you have to multiply 98,735 by 7. Do the multiplication, all of you. After that, let's see whether it is correct or not. I'll give you 2 minutes. Try to multiply. Are you all doing in course book or notebook? Notebook, right? I told to do in notebook so that you will it will be cleared how to attempt in the course book. Okay, Viraj, start now in notebook. Start in notebook. That's why people have to hear me clearly. Whatever I am saying, try to listen to me clearly, okay? Carefully. Who is that?
Indivar, ma'am.
Indivar. Open your notebook and take down this. I have given this question from the course book page 16. Try to join very early. Daily you are becoming late, Indivar. Try to join early. By time you must join. Take down the question, all of you. If it is not possible now, leave 4 lines gap and try to take this step in your classwork. You can do the multiplication process also there, right? For that sake, I made you to do. After that, you can enter this into your course book, children. Did you all get the answer? Read the steps and take down, children, in your notebook. Afterwards, you can do it in your course book. Completed, children? People start a discussion. Once go through the problem, then after that we'll go to next one. Show your multiplication process, all of you. Put it to the camera.
Ma'am, 691145.
Is it Faizan?
No, ma'am, Indivar.
Endeavor, it's correct. It's correct, Endeavor. All of you, once again, you all check it. It's, let's multiply here itself. So why? Because we don't get any kind of steps, only within one step we can complete it. 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21 plus 3, 24, 7 7s are 49 plus 2, 51, 7 8s are 56 plus 5 is 61, 9 7s are 63 plus 6 is 69. So the answer here you can write again, it's 6,91,145. In the word, you have to say like this. Don't simply say like 691145. Okay, 6,91,145.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us go to next one. Have you all completed, children? 1 minute I'll give. Make it fast. I may not give you the classwork pics of today. Why? Because the same thing is available. The same thing will be available in the course book. If anybody has not written the notebook work clearly or completely, you can once check from the course book itself. Okay. Completed, children. Let's go to next one. Debate. Who will read the question? Nirvi, read the question. Yeah, Shashank, you're ready? Come on, read it out. Shashank. Nirvi, listen to me. Nirvi. Unmute yourself. Your voice is stuck. Your voice is not reachable properly. It is getting stuck. Shashank. Nirvi, come on, tell me. Read the question. Course book, page 16, D-bit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
farmer plants 1357 mango trees in a row.
Very good.
How many mango trees will be plants in 72 such rows?
Very good. See, tell me the steps now. Here, how many mangoes in each row? 1357, right? How many rows, such rows are there? 72 such rows are there. Right. Tell me the first step and the process, Nirvi.
Number of mango trees, one in a row, 1357.
Very good. Next.
Number of many mango trees will
No. Number of rows. We need just the information of number of rows, right? Second step is number of rows. Then we'll find the total number of trees in 72 such rows. Take down the question steps. You can write the first, second information as first step also here, no problem. How many number of rows are there? 72 rows, right? Number of rows is equal to 72. Number of trees in each row. Number of mango trees in each row is equal to 72, right, children? Sorry. 1357. 1357. Let us find out the total number of mango trees in 72 such rows, okay? Total number of mango trees in 72 such rows. Here, if you multiply this 72 rows by 1357, you will get the total number of mango trees. Come on, do it all of you. Take down the steps, do the process there itself in the notebook and find out the answer. All of you on your videos. Are you all writing? So many of you have muted your videos, children. How can I know that you people are taking down this? On your videos, all of you, and write down. Minmay, Sadgun, Praneet, Siddhant, Sritan, Ashish, Rohan. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
can you hear me?
Yeah, your voice is getting plugged in between, Netra. Have you written anything in the chats? Let me check that.
8558445. 5555555. 97704. Ma'am, someone are sending messages, ma'am.
That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm checking. If anything is there, you people just raise your hand.
97,704.
Why? Because
Ma'am,
I cannot
97,704.
open your charts all the time. If anything is there, you can raise your hand only for doubts, clarity, not for answers. Only the
Ma'am,
persons who have those persons whom I ask only should answer me, but don't raise the hands for answers, for telling the answers.
ma'am, 97,704.
Let the others also do, Nana. Wait for some time. See, children, you people will be getting 2 steps here, okay? Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Tell me now answers.
97,704.
Show me to the screen. Endeavor. Have you multiplied 1357 into 72? 1357 into 72. Show me on your video. Endeavor. On the video. Turn on your video. Endeavor.
I'm 97,704. 97,704.
Who is that? Samanyu.
Yes, ma'am. 97.
Show me. How you people are doing it? Don't get confused. You have to multiply. The multiplicand position should be always this 72. Multiplier should be 72 always. Shritan, are you there? Okay, what Samanyu and Indivar got is correct answer. Let's check it once again by multiplying. All of you do the multiplication process also. 1357 into 72. Always the small number should be in the multiplier place, children. Okay, this is a multiplier. This is a multiplier and this is a multiplicand, and the answer which you are going to get is called what? Product. Okay, product. Let us multiply. 2 sevens are is 14. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 1s are is 2. Now leave this ones place. Start from 10th place onwards. Multiply 7 sevens are is 49. I'll remove the first carryover parts. 7 5s are here 4. 7 5 35 plus 4 is 39. 7 3 is a 21 plus 3 is 24. 7 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. Let's add now. You don't forget to put this plus symbol. Okay. 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 9 under nothing is there. You have to write that 97,704. Okay, children. Now you people have to do this e-bit in your notebook now, along with the steps. I'll not be telling you the steps. I'll just read out the question. You people should try. A lorry can carry 3,782 bags of rice. How many bags of rice can 83 lorries carry? See, one lorry carries. See, is it completed, children? If it is completed, I'll just explain you the third one. You people have to do that along with the steps in your notebook. Okay. One lorry carries what amount of bags? 3,782 bags of rice. Then he is asking 83 lorries carries how much? Here you have to do 83 into 3782, but while multiplying you have to put 83 in the multiplier place only. Come on, take down the steps. Do by yourself, all of you. For question, you leave some space and I'll give you time to enter the questions also. Now, children, you people have to start doing that. After that, those who have not written the questions, you can write it. Okay. E-bit is question page number is course book page 16. Now you have to do in notebook. Course book page 16. E-bit should be done in notebook now along with the steps and process. After that you can carry down into your course. Do it, children, all of you.